This is the most recently collected dinosaur bone that we have. It was an amateur called us from Maryland and asked if we could come collect it because he wasn't sure he was collecting it properly. So we went up and sort of demonstrated how to do it and let a volunteer who works there at the dinosaur park help us collect it. She was, she wanted to learn how to do it too, so we let her do a lot of the work.
Do you get a lot of people thinking they found things?
Yeah, we get lots of pictures via email. Almost every week someone calls that has a dinosaur egg. That is most certainly not a dinosaur egg. Yeah.
We now get some of those through Facebook.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Have you had many legitimate ones that way?
Not any.
Oh, really? Fun.
But that's okay. I mean, people love to go out and collect stuff and look for stuff. Anyway, this looks just like a lump because that's pretty much what it looked like in life. It's a very small bone in a very big dinosaur's body. It's this little ankle bone down here on the foot of a sauropod, a really big dinosaur, which probably was about 90 feet long, somewhere in that range. And two of the tibia and the fibula would have come down, and one of them would be along here, and the other one would be here, within the ankle. So Matt Carano was able to figure it out. He's our dinosaur curator. At first, when we found it, we thought, boy, that almost looks like a sauropod claw. They're shaped very much like this, but it's a little bit too thick. I mean, if it had been more just that shape, it probably would have been a sauropod toe bone, the end of his toe. But
and when was that collected again?
I'm pretty sure we were out there on the 12th of October.
Wow.
Not very long ago, though.
Where in Maryland?
There's a place called the Maryland Dinosaur Park.
Awesome park.
There was somebody set aside the land for that use. It's fenced in, and every other Saturday, they have it open for kids to come in and actually look around for stuff. Do some screen washing, which is washing the matrix to see if there are any little small fossils in the matrix. So yeah, it's a real good program Maryland has set up. A guy named Peter Krantz is very instrumental in all that, setting it up. That site's been there since the 1860s. It used to be a brickyard, clay brickyard, and we would get called occasionally before it was made into a park. We'd get called by the brick company and say, I think the backhoe just ran over something pretty big. And sure enough, we have some pretty big bones from there as well. So anyway.
So sauropod is S-A-U-R-O?
Yep.